How to make a man emotionally addicted to a woman? Do you want your man to be emotionally addicted to you, but you don't know how? Well, in today's video, we are going to explain to you what you need to do to make a man emotionally addicted to you. Tune in. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get straight into it. In order to make a man emotionally addicted to you, it's important to create a sense of emotional safety. This means being open and vulnerable with your own emotions, and allowing him to do the same. Men are so often asked and taught in our society to suppress their emotions. Be that person for your man. Suppressing your emotions causes damage to a person's well-being. Make sure he doesn't feel judged, as that is what he has been used to in a society where everyone wants a man to be strong. Sometimes strong means feeling your emotions and being vulnerable. It also means giving each other space to grow individually, without constantly seeking approval or reassurance from the other person. Give him space to chase you. Don't be a clingy person in the relationship. Set him free, because no one wants to be caged, and surely he will come back. Two people in a relationship have their separate lives too, and often people after being in a relationship for a while forget that. Both people should have their separate lives and focus on growing individually as well as being there for each other when needed. And don't forget the importance of playfulness in any relationship. Having fun and keeping things light will ensure that your bond stays strong for years to come. Otherwise, the relationship will get boring over time. Make sure you do fun things together. Travel, plan a night out or a movie night. Do whatever your partner likes and make him feel that you consider him and that he matters. Cook his favorite food or order his favorite food if you can't cook yourself. Remember, emotional addiction should not be based on control or manipulation, but instead on mutual respect and genuine intimacy. By nurturing these aspects in your relationship, a man will naturally become emotionally addicted to you. Manipulation will just push people away. It's a constant struggle to keep a person hooked, but neither of you both would feel any sense of content or fulfillment when it comes from a space of low-frequency manipulative energy rather than openness and genuine loving space. It's all about creating that feeling of acceptance and belonging. Show him that you truly listen to and understand him, without judgment or criticism. Make sure to let him know that you appreciate and value his thoughts, actions, and presence in your life. Sometimes women have different interests than men, and that's okay. You can still listen to him out of love. Share your vulnerabilities with him as well. Allow him to be the one who you turn to for support and comfort. Offer physical affection, both through intimate moments and small gestures like cuddling on the couch or rubbing his back. Make sure you hug him and comfort him after a long, tiring day. He would know that he has someone at the end of the day to go to and feel better. Above all, maintain an attitude of open communication and trust in the relationship. This will make him feel safe enough to fully invest his emotions in the dynamic between the two of you. Communicate about everything. Talk about your fears and ambitions. Talk about what you want from life. Have those deep conversations. Share your lessons that you have learnt in life and your experiences, and give a compassionate listening ear to your partner as well. By fostering these emotional connections, you'll have him hooked on being with you forever. So how are you going to get your man addicted to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.